Carpe FPV here with this month's drone drop. We'll see what's inside. So here's this month's drone drop. First time opening it, haven't even taken a look at it yet, so let's see what we get. Okay, our regular bunch of props here. I like them. Very big fan of the Johnny Freestyle. We have an Omnibus F4 V5. It looks like flight controller. Not bad. We have what looks like an Ethics strap for your radio. Or, yeah, for your radio. Nice cushion around the neck here. Our quadquestions.com battery strap. This month it looks like our cool tool is a solder sucker. Make sure you don't suck your components off when you're heating the solder up and sucking. And our cool stickers. Thank you, as always, Drone Drop. Got some cool stuff in here that I will be using and being interested to see how this goes. Omnibus F4. All right. Thank you. Carpe FPV signing off.